Hey friends, hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin, the king of all cryptocurrencies and digital assets. Recently, we have seen that the Bitcoin has retested the 10K support level. So in today's video, we will try to understand that whether was it the last retest of 10K support level or it will be moved more down, or it will start a massive bull rally from this level. Now, before starting the video, I would like to tell you that at this time, if you move to the CoinMarketCap and on the other different sites as well, you can see that the Bitcoin is being traded with the largest trading volume and the highest confidence level of the traders and the highest liquidity rate on Binance exchange. Therefore, I would suggest to you, if you want to buy or hold the Bitcoin and trade the Bitcoin, then you can use the Binance exchange for that purpose. Therefore, I have shared my referral link in the video's description. If you don't have an account there, you can create your account using my referral. Now, if we move to the live chart, but before moving to the live chart, I would like to just give you some recap from my last article that I've shared on the TradingView and on the different platforms as well. Sorry, I just did not post the video on this move of Bitcoin. Sometimes I don't post the video, I post the articles continuously. Therefore, I always request you guys to follow my blog, that I have also shared the link of my blog in the video description. You can find there. I shared this article on 10th of September, and in this article I showed that how the Bitcoin is consolidated above this 100 simple moving average and this 10K support level, and using the different other indicators, I just prove that the price action of Bitcoin will be moved up from here, and maybe it will try to break out that 11,000 resistance level. Now I'm just playing this chart, and you can see that how the price action is getting bounced from this 100 simple moving average and the support as well. In today's video, I'll just tell you some more indicators and more signals that I have observed on the chart of Bitcoin. Now, this is the daily live chart, and we can see that the price action of BTC formed this head and shoulder pattern and just broke the neckline of this head and shoulder and moved at the 100 simple moving average support. And here we also have the new pivot first support level, and the price action also spiked up to this level that was almost 10K support, and the price action is bounced from this support level that was the newest, the recent pivot first support. Now we have the pivot point, the recent pivot point, almost at $11,200. Therefore, it is possible that the price action of Bitcoin will retest, or it will be moved up to this pivot level very easily, as we have already discussed in my previous videos as well, that this pivot point works as a center of gravity or as a center of clock as well. Like, for example, if you take a look at the clock, then we can see that this is the minute hand on the clock, this is the hourly hand, and this is the second hand of the clock, and this is the pivot point of this clock. And you can see all these hands move around this pivot point of the clock. Same as like this, the price action also moves around this pivot point. Therefore, we can expect that soon the price action will be moved up to this level very easily. That is almost at $11,200, and the price action can move up to this level, we can expect. Now, if we move to the same daily chart, I have placed here the 100 and the 200 simple moving averages with the combination of different indicators. For example, here we have the MACD, the moving average convergence divergence indicator. We also have the stochastic indicator and the RSI, the relative strength index indicator oscillator. And here we have already observed that the price action has bounced on this 100 simple moving average. And if we watch these indicators and the oscillators, then MACD is turned strong bullish. You can see that it has given us the green signals, and this blue line has crossed up this red or orange line. That is a strong bullish signal. Whenever this blue line on the MACD indicator crosses up this orange line, that is considered as a strong buying signal. And in the same way, if this blue line crosses up this orange line on the stochastic oscillator, that is also considered as a buying or bullish signal. And we can also see that it has already visited the oversold zone and it has given the bull cross from the oversold zone. That is very strong buying signal, and we received these signals on 10th of September when the price action of Bitcoin was the lowest point price was $10,287 and the highest was $10,492. At that time we received a confirmed buying signal by the stochastic, and we can see that the RSI has already visited the oversold. So this is a very strong confirmation on the daily chart that the price action was turning bullish on the 10th of September. And now you can see that today it has spiked up to $10,840. That is a massive spike. Now, if we want the different support and resistance levels, then we have already seen that the price action has bounced from this 10,000 support level and moving up to this 11,000 resistance level. And between the 12,000 and the 11,000 resistance level, we have the 50 simple moving average resistance almost at $11,200. And same as like that, we have the pivot point at the same level. Therefore, we can say, or we can be confirmed by this move of the Bitcoin, that up to $11,200 the move is quite confirmed, and the Bitcoin can hit the spike up to this level. And after that, we will check the other move of the Bitcoin. We will also check the different signals and the moving averages as well, that how the Bitcoin can behave in the future. And definitely I'll post more videos on that. Now, if we move to this weekly chart, then I have been posting this multi-years based symmetrical triangle that was started back in 2017, and the price action of Bitcoin was being rejected again and again by this resistance of symmetrical triangle, and finally the price action has broken out this resistance. Now, the question is that was it the last retest of the 10K support level, or it will be moved more down? Then in this article, I just predicted, or I just posted my point of view here, that the price action of Bitcoin can retest this previous support of this symmetrical triangle's resistance level. And I'm just playing this chart. You can see that the price action has moved up to this level, and so far it did not retest the previous resistance as a support. Now, will it retest the support of this previous resistance, or it will be moved up from here? If we watch on the live weekly chart, then there is another possibility. If we watch the move of the Bitcoin, then it can also form the head and shoulder pattern on the weekly chart. It can move up to this level, and it can also move up to this level, but I'm not expecting this move because we have a lot of moving averages, support levels before these levels where the price action will need to move to for the completion of the head and shoulder pattern. So this is the left shoulder, this is the head, but I'm not expecting that it will complete the right shoulder and the neckline as well. I'm expecting that it can retest the 25 simple moving average, because here we have already seen that after breaking out this resistance, the price action of BTC already has retested the previous resistance of this multi-years based symmetrical triangle as a support. And if I take you back to the 2013 to 2015 move, and I have already shown this move in the same article here, then the price action before starting the massive bull rally that was ended in 2017, the price action formed this falling wedge pattern on the weekly chart, and before breaking out this resistance of the falling wedge pattern, the price action retested the 225 simple moving averages on the weekly chart, and after breaking out, the price action did not retest the previous resistance of the falling wedge pattern as a support. Therefore, we can expect that this time the move is more firm, because after breaking out, the price action has retested the previous resistance as a support. Therefore, now it is not necessary for the price line to retest this support again, because it has already retested. But there is a possibility that the price action will retest the 25 simple moving average or 50 moving average. And you can see that the price these moving averages are already moving up, and there is a possibility that the price action will move here sideways for a while, and these moving averages will be moved up to provide the support, and using the support of these moving averages the price action will be moved more up, or maybe it will form a bull flag here, and without these moving averages the price action will start the next rally. Now I would like to give you some recap from this article that I shared back in April 2020, when the price action of Bitcoin formed this gardlet pattern on the monthly chart. And this was the initial leg, then it was retraced between 0.382 to between 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level, then projected between 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci projection of A to B leg, then it is retraced between 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. And as per Fibonacci sequence of the Bitcoin of this gardlet pattern, I predicted that the price action can move from this level, from this potential reversal on up to this Fibonacci projection of A to D leg. I'm just playing this chart. Now, so far the price line of Bitcoin has moved up, and during this massive rally, the price action has produced more than 83% profit so far. But I'm expecting that once it will break out this 0.786 Fibonacci projection level, then it will use this level as a support that is around at $12,000, and after breaking out this level the price action can start the real move that will be a massive bull rally on the monthly chart. We have already seen that these moving averages has completed the formation of an open alligator mouth. You can see that the smallest time period moving average is above all, then we have 50, then 100 and 200 simple moving averages below all other simple moving averages. And in my previous videos I've already been telling you that whenever the smallest time period moving average moves above all, and we have the bigger one, then bigger one, and the biggest time period moving average below all, that is called an open alligator mouth. That is a very strong bullish and buying signal. Therefore we can expect now after this formation and after breaking out this resistance level, the price action of Bitcoin has already started the long-term bullish rally. But the question is that whether it will retest the 10K support level again, or it will not retest that level. It depends on the indicators and the signals on the daily chart. So far we can see that these signals are turning more and more bullish, and we are having very good supports of the moving averages as well on the daily and on the weekly chart as well. So if these indicators will be continuously turning bullish, we can expect that it will not retest the 10K support level again. But if these indicators will start turning bearish, then we can expect that the price action may retest the 10K resistance, the support level again. And if this 25 simple moving average will be moved up, then we can have a very, very good support, and after that the price action can move up, and it can never retest the 10K resistance level. Therefore we need these moving averages to move more up to provide a firm support to the price action, and we need the continuation of the bullish momentum of all these indicators as they are already turning bullish. So I'm expecting that they will be continuously turning bullish, and soon we will retest the previous resistance of 12K, the $12,000 again. The price act, but that move also depends on the breaking out this 50 simple moving average, and I'm expecting that the price action can break out this 50 simple moving average, because we have the stronger time period moving average as a support, and this is the weaker one. This is the 50 simple moving, and this is a moving average, and this is the 100 simple moving average. The price action is bouncing from the 100 simple moving average, so this bounce can easily break out this 50 simple moving average, and after that we can expect that the price action will retest the previous resistance of 12K and maybe it will try to break out this level very soon. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to my channel as well. Take care. Goodbye.